This is synthetic division. Division is a way to divide polynomials without having to do long division. When you use synthetic division, the divisor, this thing right here, the thing you're dividing by, has to be in this form, x minus r. So the variable minus a number. If it was like 2x minus r, you couldn't use it, just if it's the x minus r. So in this case right here, we have b cubed minus 4b squared plus b minus 2, all divided by b plus 1. We can write the b plus 1 as b minus the negative 1. So the negative 1 is the r in the x minus r part. So negative 1 is what we put in our box right here. The next to the box, we put the coefficients of our variables. So we have 1b cubed minus 4b squared plus 1b minus 2. Okay, we put that constant last, then we put that number or the line underneath of it. And then we can go ahead and divide. Our first step is to bring down the 1. So we bring that straight down, and then we multiply this number, the negative 1, times this number. So negative 1 times 1 is negative 1. Then we add straight down. Negative 4 plus negative 1 is negative 5. Then we start over. We multiply this number by this number. So negative 1 times negative 5 is positive 5. Then we add 1 plus 5 is 6. Then we do it again. Negative 1 times 6 is negative 6. And then add negative 2 plus negative 6 is negative 8. Okay, so now we're done. We've done our synthetic division. So we have a bunch of numbers here. What do these mean? So we need to write our polynomials. So what is b cubed minus 4b squared plus b minus 2 all divided by b plus 1? Well, the last number is our remainder. The next numbers are constant. The 6 is our constant. And then the other ones to the left will be the variables of the coefficient. So we started with the b cubed, which means now when we divide, because we divided by 1b, just a b to the first power, we're going to have b squared. So we have 1b squared, because this is a 1 right here, minus 5b plus 6. And then with our remainder, we can write that as minus, because it's a negative 8 over b plus 1, our divisor. So the remainder goes over the divisor there at the end. So this is our answer. Of course, you don't have to write this 1 right here. So we have b squared minus 5b plus 6, I almost said b, plus 6, minus 8 over b plus 1. And there's our answer. Okay, let's do one more. This one we're going to have a little bit different answer, so we're going to talk about that. This time, okay, we have a 2, or right here, x minus 2, so we put a positive 2 here. You could think of using the opposite sign of whatever's there. Then we put our coefficients of our variable, so 2, negative 5, 4, negative 4. Put our line underneath and do our division. So bring down the 2. And then multiply. 2 times 2 is 4. Negative 5 plus 4 is negative 1. Multiply again. 2 times negative 1 is negative 2. Add straight down. 4 plus negative 2 is 2. Multiply again. So 2 times 2 is 4. And then negative 4 plus 4 is 0. So this time, our remainder is 0. Okay, so what does that mean? Well, so let's write this how we need to. We started with an x cubed. So now we're at an x squared, so we have 2x squared, because that first number is a 2, minus 1x plus 2, this one's our constant, and then plus 0, that's our remainder. We don't actually have to write the remainder, because it's 0, so we can just leave it like that. So that means that 2x cubed minus 5x squared plus 4x minus 4, all divided by x minus 2, is 2x squared minus x plus 2. That means that x minus 2 divided into our polynomial evenly, so it is a factor. So we could actually write this equation, this number, or this polynomial times x minus 2 equals our original polynomial, 2x cubed minus 5x squared plus 4x minus 4. Okay, so we found these two here are factors of this polynomial. Okay, so synthetic division can sometimes help us to find a factor of a polynomial that we couldn't factor easily another way.